now, cry later. Hello. So today I'm going to teach you 2 new amazing exercises to help your dancer body get to where it needs to be. The first one will be a clamshell progression, level 5. Okay, level 5. So get ready to level up and let's have a good time. Time to strengthen our gluteus medius. Go ahead and lie down on your side with your knees bent. You want to make sure that you are stacked and not leaning too far forward or too far back. You can place your arms down, put a pillow by your head, or support yourself in front of your body or on your hips like so. You're going to bring up those ankles, open like a clam, lift the leg and extend. Bring it back down, make sure those ankles are touching to close the clam. And you will repeat. Remember to breathe. Try not to lean your body backwards. Try to stay on top of yourself. Great job. And for the second exercise, we're going to be using a lovely TheraBand and working on those arms, okay? So make sure you have what you need and let's get started. So this exercise we will be doing today is called a wall clock. You need a TheraBand. If you don't have one that is a loop like so, make sure you tie it to create that resistance. Your arms will be parallel. You want to make sure those elbows are not sticking too far out or too far in. And you're going to expand like you would if you were counting the time on a clock. Easy, huh? Let's try it on the wall. I hope you enjoyed these 2 exercises to help you become a better dancer and a better athlete all around. Have a great day and don't forget, dance now, cry later.